Hello, welcome to Mama Soul Kitchen. I know it's been a long time, but grandson-in-law has suffered a stroke back in August, but he is now home, everybody. Look at this excitement after they have received some exciting news during his recovery, everybody. Back in Georgia, he got this message back in September. Listen to this.
Hey, Roddy Bo, how you doing, man? This is John Gruden, the old coach. I'm down here in Tampa, Florida. It's an early morning. I was just getting ready to study some football, and I got the message late last night. I heard you're in the hospital, and I heard you're recovering. And I just want to encourage you, man. I want to encourage you. I want to let you know how much your family loves you. Your beautiful wife, LaShonda, loves you. And I love you, man. You stay strong. You know, I can only imagine, how you feel right now. But the most important thing is I want you to fight. You'll be fine. You're going to be better than ever. You just stay positive. I had some adversity hit me recently. I hurt my hip. I lost my job. I went through a lot of tough times. And I want you to stay positive, man, and trust the game plan. The doctors have a great game plan for you. You just relax, execute the game plan just like a Raider quarterback, just like Kenny Stabler. Execute and stay positive. I want positive music, positive thoughts, positive books, positive people. We'll get positive results. But you stay strong. You're in great hands. Everybody loves you. And remember, the greatness in you, Roddy Bo, is in the future. We got the Chargers Monday night. You relax, put your feet up, and you watch the Raiders get this victory for you, brother. But most importantly, just know two things. You got all the love and care you can ask for. The doctors have a great game plan, and I want you to stay positive, man. Positive. Show us the way, man. When adversity hits, it's going to bring out the best in you because you're as mentally tough and physically tough as they get. Do your thing, brother. We love you. We're counting on you, and we can't wait till you walk out of that hospital ready for a great, great time. Love you, man. Stay strong. Praying for you. You're going to be great, man. Hope to meet you soon, and if you ever get down this way to Tampa, look me up. I'm the only Gruden in the book. Love you, man. Stay strong. See ya.
Now, talking about feeling overjoyed, oh my goodness, look at that. That brought a smile to grandson-in-law's face the very first time. This was back in September. I think it was like September 12th when this footage was revealed. But this right here, he's home, everybody. He is home. Thank you for all your prayers, donations, and love and everything. Positive vibes. Stay tuned for a lot more. We're going to come back with some cooking soon. And make sure you guys follow his YouTube channel at Beat the Stroke, #Team Roddy Bo.